This is really, really orange cream. This tastes just like I don't know if you've had the orange creamsicle ice cream in the store. This is exactly what that is. Mm, mm, mm. Wow. Mm, 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 mm. Why do we dance when we're eating something good? Oh my goodness, let me sit down. So the ingredients that I'm going to be using today, first you see the Crisco butter shortening that I'll be using to prepare my pan. I'm using all-purpose flour. I have my sea salt, baking powder, and baking soda. I have my freshly squeezed orange juice, some orange zest, vanilla extract, buttermilk, my unsalted butter, sour cream, my eggs, and my baker's sugar. All right, let's go ahead and put this recipe together. Now, if you're new to the channel, what I normally do with my all-purpose flour to simulate cake flour is I remove for every cup of flour, I remove 2 tablespoons and replace it with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. So I'm going to go ahead and add in my sea salt, adding in now my baking powder and my baking soda. I'm going to go ahead and mix this together. All right, and to make sure it is sifted the way that I prefer it to be, I'm going to just go in, add it in to my sifter here, and just sift it to make sure all of my ingredients are really mixed in well. And I have a bigger sifter, but it's wet because I just washed it, so I'm using the smaller one. All right, so we're going to go ahead and move over to our mixing bowl. I have my 2 quarters of butter here, and I'm going to go ahead and get it mixed in. Adding in my 3 cups of sugar. One-fourth cup of canola oil. Okay, so that's what we're looking for. So now let me go ahead and add in my extracts, my sour cream, my eggs, and I'll add some zest. And then we're going to alternate between our wet and dry mix. And we have our vanilla extract, our butter extract, all right, we're going to go in with our sour cream now. Going in now with my eggs, one at a time. We are ready now to start mixing in our wet and dry mix. So what I'm doing, I have my buttermilk and my orange juice. I'm simply going to mix it together. And I think I'll go ahead and add in some orange zest into this mixture as well. That way I don't have to worry about doing it separately. So I have some orange zest I'm going to put in there. I think I want to add just a pinch more because this is an orange cream cake, right? Alrighty, so we have our buttermilk, orange juice, and orange zest. Alright, so we're now going to go ahead and start mixing in. I'm going to first start with my dry mix. Alright, so I'm adding in 1 cup to start. Half of the buttermilk. Another cup of flour. The remainder of the buttermilk. And the remainder of the flour. All right, I'm going to immediately go in and start to scrape my bowl because I'm going to go ahead and let this really mix like I need it to. So, scraping. And then we're going to turn this bad baby up and let her go. All right, it's been a minute and a half. I'm going to go in and scrape this bowl again, just for my peace of mind. And then I will let it finish doing what it's supposed to do. But from the bottom, from what I can feel at the bottom of this bowl, it's mixing pretty well. I don't feel any clumps. All right, so let's go ahead and let it finish. I'm gonna let it mix for about maybe another 45 seconds. All right, our batter is ready, guys. All right, guys, I don't know if you can see this. Let me see. This is what our batter looks like. Perfect. All right, so I have my pan here. Don't want to fill it all the way to the top. right into the oven she goes. And then we'll come back and make our icing. Okay, so we're going to be making a simple orange cream icing. Here you see me slicing a vanilla bean down the middle, and I'm going to remove the seeds, adding it to my cream cheese. I have some vanilla extract here, some orange zest. I'll be using some powdered sugar and some extra heavy whipping cream. Adding in some kosher salt. My cake is still pretty warm, but I want to remove it from the pan so that it doesn't sweat and so that my icing will be able to melt as I start to decorate it. Let's see what it looks like. My camera angle so you guys can really see. I can't wait to taste it. All right, there's the slice, as you can see. Wow, that's a perfect piece of cake, guys. Let me see if I can get in here so you guys can really see what it looks like. Can you see how moist that is? This is really, really, really moist. Wow, this is a perfect piece of cake. This cake came out wonderfully. I'm gonna go ahead and taste it. I'm gonna go ahead and cut another slice. And this is just simply for my screenshot. I'm gonna cut this slice for myself. This icing is the bomb. Oh my goodness. This is delicious. Oh my goodness. Ooh, cha. All right, guys, my cake turned out impeccably well. Simply delicious. And if you follow this recipe, I'm sure yours will turn out great as well. All right, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. And as I always say around here, y'all willing, we will see you on the next one. Shalom.